Hello everyone, welcome to iLink Digital. I am Archana.dongre, a senior technical consultant at iLink Digital. Today we will be diving into a very interesting topic which is changing the game for business apps, progressive web apps or PWAs with Microsoft Power Pages. Imagine an app that feels like a native one but is accessible directly from a browser. That's a PWA. With Microsoft Power Pages, you can easily turn your business website into PWA that your users can install directly from their browser or even through App Store. App Store publishing is an option and not a requirement, which make it interesting. PWAs are designed for speed and reliability. PWAs are performing fast even on slow connection, and the best part is they can work offline as well. So your client or user can browse the application even without internet access, which ensures uninterrupted service. Also, progressive web apps offer smooth interactions and boost engagement. It provides quick access from home screen and push notifications for important updates, which help customers and employees informed and engaged. Now, let's talk about the bottom line. PWAs are a smart investment. Progressive web apps are incredibly cost-effective solutions as single application will work for Android and iOS both. It is built from single code base which drastically cuts down development and maintenance cost. Also, with Power Pages is a low-code development environment, you can manage PWA more effectively than ever. Now, let's take an eye on progressive web app security, which is paramount. As progressive web app is a part of Microsoft Power Platform, which runs on Microsoft Azure. It is safeguarded with top tier infrastructure security and always up to date on automatically applying security updates and patches. It means your data and your users' information are in safe hands and always protected. Next, I will be walking you through the incredibly simple steps to create your own progressive web app in Power Pages.
Next, I will be walking you through the incredibly simple steps to create your own progressive web application in Microsoft Power Pages. So for that, we should have a Power Pages site. And here I have already created one Power Pages site. Let's go inside this site. And once we are in a design studio of a specific site, the next important step is to enable Power Pages progressive web application feature. So for that, we need to go to the setup option, and here under mobile we have progressive web application. From here we can enable the PWA feature, and once we enable this feature, your site will be acting as a native application. And from here we can provide the basic detail for your app, that is display name, app store description, and start page for your application. Also we can change the background color and the logo for the application. And from this section we can define the offline pages. So here I have already defined one page which will be available in the offline mode, and create an app package. This is option if you want to deploy your application in the App Store and iOS store, and it will be available for the massive user. We can make use of this option, and for this we already have a PWA builder. So from here we can deploy the application. Now we are ready with the PWA settings, and now let us preview the application. And our PWA application is ready for now. So we have the pages here, and about us page will be available in the offline mode. So for that we need to go to the mobile phone, and from there we can scan this particular application. It will route to this website, and it will ask us to install the application. So I will show you how we can scan the application from the mobile phone here. So here we have the section mobile. We can scan this code on from the mobile phone, and it will route us to the same application. So let's proceed further. Let us scan the web application from the mobile phone, and it will route us to the respective Power Pages site. So here we have Power Pages site open, and if we want to add this as a application on our phone, we need to click on the share button here. So we have a share button, and add to home screen. We can click on this button, and it will be adding as a application on your home screen. So I have added it, and here as we can see the home screen, the application is already installed and available. So if I click on this application, it will open the web application, and it is acting as a native app. So from here you can go to the about us page. Right now we are in online mode, so we can see it. I will turn off the network settings, internet settings, and let us see if this is working. I will go back to the home page, which is available only in the online mode. So here we can see the message that you are not connected to the internet. Now let's check on the offline page. As we can see the offline page here. So this is how the progressive web apps are reacting and working in the mobile application. As a summary, I would like to say that Power Pages progressive web apps are delivering speed, engagement, and cost effectiveness for your business. If you are ready to adopt this incredible technology, contact us at iLink today. Details are also mentioned in the screen. Thank you.